So we have we talked about the beginning of what is choreography in dance, and especially looked into the Nritya choreography, and we've looked about Shabdam. So next we will discuss about Varnam,
I think that's very intense.
which is
Which has
Nritya and Nritya both
also
in
that is
Bharatanatyam. Alright? And at a lot of times these days, dancers get chance to perform 5 minutes, 10 minutes,
Yes.
20 minutes, sometimes whole concerts. But often young people get only half an hour, 10 minutes. So in that level, you can't have such slow items, or you
And
don't
of
want.
course.
But these are some things that enriches you in totality. These Abhinaya exercises, if you call, or it is the gist of your being. So if you can sustain on that, nothing like that. So this Varnam that I was talking, it's Krishna,
Again here and here.
again
Krishna.
Krishna.
And here and
Now here Sakhi, again Sakhi,
Okay.
but there the Krishna mesmerized. Here the Krishna is lost.
Oh wow. It's a different book.
Where is Krishna?
Threshold.
Where is Krishna?
Okay.
So
He's
it's
everywhere, but still you are not.
where is he?
present.
Where is he? Where is he? And Varnam. So 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes, as much as you wish to do, you can do. And so it was in Adital and Vasanta Raga. I think I taught you some parts of it, but क्या गयो कृष्ण मुरारी सखी रे, क्या गयो कृष्ण मुरारी सखी रे, क्या गयो. Now where is the uttan from? Muरारी सखी रे, क्या गयो. Where is the uttan from?
Second one.
सखी रे, क्या गयो.
क्या गयो?
क्या गयो. अतीत और अनागत. Before some or after some?
After some.
All these on the tip of your tongue. You can't forget any of these things anytime. So now when you say kya gayo, listen to the words. It is Krishna. It is not Kanudu. It is not Kamangaro. It is Murari. Now who is Murari? Murari. Murari. Mura. This is where the stories of Krishna you have to know. The one who killed the Rakshasa, demon, Murari. Ari is the killer. Mura. Murka. Mura, no killer.
Demon.
The demon. The one who killed the Murari. The one who killed Mura
That
is
how he
Krishna. Murari. We have a song like Kanuda, how many Tara Kitla Nam. Kiya Name Lakshmi Kankotri. So you have Vishnu Sahasra Nam. Each Nam, each verse
story
has a story,
has
a meaning. And the more you know about these stories, you learn more about
also it opens up, for this choreography
Yeah.
part, it is very important.
Because unless you know the stories, how will you choreograph? Otherwise, you always go on doing the Chira Harana,
All those,
the famous stories and the Makhan Choris.
Of
Krishna's life.
And it is good to do them well, because if you're doing it for audience, they will understand in no time. You don't have to narrate long.
That is there, but then again, at one point of time, you really need to do something beyond that also, and for that, you need to read all these things. That is again.
You have to know. So in Varnam, kya gayo? Now we are beyond the Shabdam. Kya gayo Krishna Murari? So you are asking, kya gayo? Then how many times can you ask kya gayo? And how will you ask? It is based on what? See, nice sari. Nice sari. Nice sari. So, how many times, how many different ways will you address kya gayo? And if I say, nice sari, nice sari, nice sari, will it work?
No.
So what
Why?
works?
Why
And why?
will not work?
Then first,
This is a question to you again.
first thing, it will work like nice sari. So, nice sari. It is like, kya gayo Krishna Murari? Kya gayo Krishna Murari?
What is?
So what are you trying to show? With three
उसको
different
ढूंढते हैं
cameras.
बट वो नहीं मिला
चिंता.
तो हाँ
So, from the normal natural question,
क्या करूँ
first query, say you are out somewhere, so your mother or father or friend or someone say, where is Divya? Then there is no answer. Where is Divya? Hare, where is Divya?
How many times I'm telling you?
अरे can't you anyone tell me where is Divya? हद हो गई, क्या बात है? कोई बोलता ही नहीं.
हाँ intensity
And you have to show that
Intensity. That's why. Otherwise, how will you dance Kya Gayo Krishna Murari
See,
for
when
1
she
hour?
said about that sari, it was stagnant. The same 3 times that she said sari, 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 nice sari, nice sari, nice sari. But the same expression, the same, so nothing gets different out there. Here you are showing that the level of that intensity.
Your search, kya gayo?
Here it is the search.
Kya Gayo? Your search for him. And you can, in physical search,
Yeah.
or it is
Maybe in your
dream
not
No,
dream.
not the
It
dream.
is your quest for truth. Krishna is also truth to you. Krishna need not be just the God and the lover.
Means from direct Krishna, you can go to
To
that
the
search
Krishna.
level in the
Wherever you want to take the search, will go. The search will go. But you have to note first. This is where the research will come in the search. That to design, these are small, simple steps that will lead you for choreography. Because most of the times what you see is that, oh, you are sitting, okay, chalo, let's start today Varnam. So do Kya Gayo Krishna Murari Sakhi, and you do it and it is over. How do you articulate, and how does a student learn how to choreograph? So that is why in the master's level we have included one whole paper on Nritya choreography and Nritta choreography, because you are the masters from tomorrow. And you cannot just go and live all your life on 4 Alari pose, 4 Chatishwaram, 2 Varnam. No. So this Meera song, Mukhadani Maya Ragire, has been made into a Varnam. And I think some other people also have done different things, made into some ready songs. like an Ashtapadi ready song made into Varnam. So what do you think, like we saw in Shabdam, that 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just looked into the tal. So you can have Mishra, Adi tal, Rupakam, Atatal. Then what is the construction of a Varnam? You have
To see that.
Trikatrimanam,
Trikatrimanam.
Pallavi, Anupallavi, Charanam.
You have the Purvanga and you have the Uttaranga. In Purvanga, you have the Pallavi, Anupallavi and Chittaswara Sahitya. In Uttaranga, starts with Charanam and then Etukada Swara Sahitya, like that. So it has a definite structure. And if you want to call anything, again, you have to have that structure. Then only you can call it Varnam. Otherwise, it's a nice song where inserted with jatis and inserted with yeah. But to call it a Varnam. So again, this Varnam was Nirupanas and Marathi. There are Varnams written. In Hindi, Varnams are written. This one, Anjani Arun Kumar. She's done the whole.
You said she's written Hindi compositions.
Hindi compositions and written, specially written poetry and with the music. Then along with that you have selection of rag, the rag, whichever that one likes to, and which goes with the theme of the poetry, the song. It cannot be anything which is not this thing. So like that you have to, for creating a Varnam or a Shabdam, you must create its structure and then you can make it a Varnam. You can't take any one song and then insert and then say now this is Varnam. So you have to be careful because you can play with the tradition to an extent, but you can, you are free.
Say that it's a traditional item Varnam, then you need to keep.
Otherwise you can do one item. There are many people who do one kind of a story in Bharatanatyam and they don't call it Varnam. They don't call it Varnam. But it's a whole thing like that. So this was written by Anjali Ben. Kya gayo Krishna Murari Sakhi Divasane Rajani Pathahu Nirakti Sudhabudha Visari Haye Tadapti Ruthyo Sham Sheri Jai Sakhi. So here the Naika is saying that where is this Krishna? It seems that he is angry because I am here waiting and waiting.
So this here the Naika is talking to the
Sakhi.
Again. So he has
Sakhi.
But then it is different to what
Yeah,
we saw
here
earlier.
this is there she is mesmerized and she is talking about her
She was
love.
talking to the Sakhi, but
Sakhi.
then it was different and then
About her
Krishna
love.
again, Krishna in his form again is different. Both
Yeah,
the places.
yeah.
There he was Kanu and here is Krishna as
Krishna.
a
And Kya gayo Krishna Murari. So the first itself is like he is not here.
he's not here.
Where is he? Divasane Rajani Pathahu Nirakti. This is a typical example of Virhodkantita Naika in Varnam. Very few times you will see a continuity. In Varnam you can have 3-4
Yes,
Naikas.
exactly, yes.
You can have 3-4 Naikas. But here you can, from first she starts where is he. That establishes that he is not here. Then Sudhabudha Visari Pathamu Nirakti. So everything, I'm lost and Ane Ruthyo Sham, he's gone away with anger. Then she narrates in the Chittaswar her what passed.
Okay.
That Sharad Punamni Rate Rase Ramata Ghate Murali Adhar Dharine Kane Chitadu Chori Mune Virahine Chedine Kya Gayo Sakhi. So and it's the same as in Chittaswara and Sahitya. You know that the songs, the swara will follow, the notes will follow the words. So Sharada Punamani Rate Sani Dhani Kamadani Sasa.
Yes.
Like that, it follows thing. So especially, and then you can see and feel the difference that we could dance. So try Kya Gayo Krishna Murari Sakhi. We did very simple. Kya Gayo. You showing, looking for him. Kya, and then Gayo. That is the road. Gayo Krishna Murari Sakhi. But Sakhi, and then still you are looking. So that searching for him becomes the center point.
You are not losing that
thing. So you want to try? Gadam gutakati gutakata dingina tum. Kya gayo kri. Wait in Abhinay.
This is again a very good point.
In Abhinay, you do not lead the gesture. The gesture will follow the word. So, kya gayo?
Let the word.
Kya gayo Krishna? See the difference between this? And see the reason to understand music. Why you should understand music. Now you want to show anxiety of kya gayo, or you are just first kya gayo. What do you want to show? I have not told you anything. So what do you want to show?
How will you do it?
Kya gayo?
Your anxiety. Then if you are in anxious mood, will you just stand at one place and say kya gayo?
No.
It is one place. It is one place.
You'll be, I think, little faster.
Double running? No running.
Not running,
but rhythm. You must keep the rhythm and.
Yes.
But see, your whole body. There is this desire to reach out and find out where he is, and you. The anga must speak. As she said, we were talking about where is the movement and what does it speak. So you must allow your body to speak other than your own gestures and your all these things. Your body should project what it is. So strong strength, Radha or whoever is the lover is not so dead. Okay, so that you have to have that.
Because I think you cannot forget which style you are into, right? Because
no, we are projecting Kalakshetra school, but this is beyond school.
No, this is beyond school, of course. No, what I'm saying is that she's doing Bharatanatyam.
Yeah.
Style in the sense, I'm not talking of the Bani, but Bharatanatyam style itself.
The sprightly footwork and this. The last same thing, Abhinaya doesn't mean slacking of the body movement. And here she is not lost, Virhotkantita she is, but she is still very hopeful in Viraha.
She
you can have
him, or maybe she can search for him.
She is searching for him and she is confident that she'll meet him one day. It's not that it's all beyond. So, ताकत से काम करो. क्या गयो? You are short, my dear, and if you fold your knees and walk, you are even shorter. Two, three, four. क्या गयो? Murari. Sakhi kya gayo Krishna Murari. Sakhi kya gayo Krishna Murari. Sakhi kya gayo Krishna Murari. Sakhi, you're worried about us, you're worried about people. Again, you're stuck up. Continuity of Abhinaya. Whatever you do is right. I made a mistake. No.
I think
You're
at
fine.
this point where she did Divya, the first time that you do, can we show it through just the eye expressions and maybe taking one or two steps?
Normally, once the line is sung, you are establishing the Abhinaya, you are not doing it. This is because we are asking her to move. So
yeah.
this is it. Na to first time
Only
you
I-
stand.
Little bit gesture also you can, but I think
Whatever way, that is fine. So now, okay, the next kya gayo, how will you take it up? We talked about the intensity increase.
Kya gayo,
And then,
kya gayo.
This is one variation, but where is the intensity in it? Kya gayo, kya gayo.
intensity.
क्या करूं नहीं देखा मतलब नहीं दिख रहा
Then this 3 times he is not seen, only you are changing gestures. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Do you know where is he? Do you know? You don't know? Nobody knows. Where is the Krishna Murari? You ask her, you ask her, you ask her.
The same line is sung.
Kya
but you can ask
gayo?
question.
Kya gayo? Kya gayo? Kya gayo? Vyanga, he can be lost anywhere, I know.
Krishna hai.
Krishna can be lost anywhere. So, the more your imagination, choreography is very much concerned with your technique, but also doubly concerned with your imagination. And imagination comes with your knowledge, strong knowledge of these myths, these stories, this world. If you want to go in the traditional Krishna, but let's say somebody is doing a thing on Devi, and now some people are doing on different topics. Then,
But then you
so basically, as a dancer, they say that dance is mother of all arts. So, as a dancer, you have to know in the Vishnu Dharmottar Puran,
yes,
when-
you have the
paintings and
all the interrelationship of all
Interrelationship.
arts.
all arts. So, you have to know. Know means you have to go to an artist fine arts exhibition. You must see the paintings. Now, what is this? I don't know. But try to understand and make your own story. For anything and everything,
At least you
make
should
your
go
own
and
stories.
Watch, make your.
You must go to people who are talking poetry, recitations. There are so many poems, and you all are listening to so much music all the time. But try to understand the words of the music, the meaning behind the music, and at least have 10 songs which has meaning. Then there are songs which can be very fun rhythmically. See, Nritya has a different demand and Nritya has a different demand. Nritya being the storyline, Nritya being concerned with emotions. You need to go perhaps deeper into your background to come up. Nritya, you have to have your maths very clear.
Very clear, yes, exactly.
And you must-
wonders.
Yeah, both you have to have wild imagination in both, even in Nritya, because from the same set of 108 adavus, how do you create different? It's all challenge. So I think we've done enough for the beginning introduction of the
think that next time they should be knowing,
Nritya, and next time we will discuss further on how the different items. I think we should try and work on a kirtanam next time.
Yeah, next
So,
time we can do that. It's
huh.
good.
We are combining the Nritya and Nritya items. So, thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Didi.
Namaste.